Hello there, I'm Ben Wade, and in this UnleashU tutorial, you are going to learn how to set up blog categories in WordPress. This video is part of a series where you will learn how to build a website with WordPress, and those are all organized so they're easy for you to navigate at UnleashU.com. And now, let's dive into how to set up WordPress blog categories. And the first thing you'll need to do is log into your website, and you can do that by adding /wp-login.php after your domain name. Then log in with your username and password. This will bring you to your dashboard. Now for this tutorial, we've created a few posts ahead of time, and let's go look at those. Now let's scroll down and look at those posts. If you notice, there's a few posts about blue, light blue, dark blue, and regular blue. There's also a few posts about yellow, light yellow, dark yellow, and regular yellow. And then there's one post about green. And one thing I want to point out is on some of these posts we added a featured image and an image to the page, and it's displaying both. That's why you see double. On the green post we only use the featured image, that's why it just shows up once. But say for example you only wanted to show posts of a certain type, or posts that you'd assign to a certain category of posts. And let's say for example you only wanted to show a category that showed posts about the color yellow. Now I went ahead and did that ahead of time, and I'll show you what that looks like. And we'll go over here under posts and categories. And we created a category ahead of time called yellow, and we assigned 3 posts to it. So let's take a look at that. Now what WordPress does with categories is it creates a clickable link that displays all the articles in that category. If you notice right here, this category has a clickable link including yellow. And if you scroll down, it shows you all the posts about yellow. And this is because we assigned those posts to the yellow category. So for you to see how this works, let's create a blue category so we can assign all the blue posts to that category. So let's go back to the dashboard and go to Posts and Categories. And now we're going to create a new category for blue. So this will be the name, and then the slug is what shows up in the link. If you remember on that last category, the word yellow showed up in the link, and that's what made it a clickable link. This is where you set what that's going to be right here. Parent category is if you want to create a hierarchy of categories, and we'll show you how hierarchies work in a future video. And then description is if you want to add a description of the category. Some themes might show it. It doesn't hurt to fill it in just in case, but a lot of times it doesn't show up, so it's completely up to you. And now that we have that all filled in, just scroll down and click Add New Category. What you'll notice is right up here, now we have a category called Blue. But because we haven't assigned any posts to it, the count is 0. Now let's take a look at it. And if you'll notice, nothing shows up in the blue category. Now let's assign some blog posts to the blue category. So the first way to assign posts to a category is through the All Posts page. So go to Posts and All Posts. Now down here you notice the posts about yellow have already been assigned to the yellow category. One way to assign a post to a category is to click on the post itself and assign it through the post editor. So in the post editor, go ahead and scroll down, and you'll notice categories show up and blue is an option. So select blue, and then scroll up and hit update. And what this has just done is it's added this article to the blue category. The other way to do this is through the All Posts page. And you can go right here under Quick Edit and assign it to blue and update. Or you can select more than one. hit Edit, Apply, and assign more than one to a category at one time, and then hit Update. And you'll notice now all the articles about blue have been assigned to the blue category. So if we go back to that category link, now all the articles about blue have been assigned to this category. Now the last thing about categories is the fact that a blog post can be assigned to more than one category. And what we're going to do is we're going to add the green article to the categories for yellow and blue, since green is composed of blue and yellow. So go right here to green, quick edit, and we're going to add it to yellow and blue, and update. And if you notice now, under blue and yellow in the categories area, it's showing up in both. So let's go back to categories. And if we look at blue and yellow, you'll notice that the blue articles and now the green articles show up under blue, and the yellow articles and the green articles show up under yellow. And in a nutshell, that's how you can set up categories and assign blog posts to them. And in some future tutorials, we'll show you how different themes use categories to display different types of posts in different areas. Alright, in the rest of the tutorials in this series, you'll learn how to actually build a website with WordPress. Another series will be behind the scenes tutorials on how we created these videos. We'll cover how we built UnleashU.com, which is where we organize all of our tutorials so they're easier for you to navigate, and links to that are in the video description, so be sure to visit. Lots of great stuff coming up and you don't want to miss any of it. So be sure to click that like button on our Facebook page, be sure to click that subscribe button on our YouTube channel. Basically follow us wherever you find us so you never miss a thing. Also like, favorite, comment on, and share this video so other people have an easier time finding it. Alright, thanks for watching and keep an eye out for more tutorials coming up.